The ongoing trial of Young Thug Rico is anticipated to proceed in August, with a new judge presiding over the proceedings. Greetings, everyone. Today, we will be diving into an important subject: the upcoming continuation of the Young Thug and YSL racketeering trial. This trial, which encountered various obstacles and disputes, will now proceed under the guidance of a new judge named Paige Reese Whitaker. In order to guarantee a trial that is both fair and expedient, Judge Whitaker has introduced new protocols such as extended court hours and restrictions on wearing headphones or consuming food within the courtroom. It is worth noting that Thug's attorney firmly maintains his client's innocence and is advocating for a swift and unbiased trial. Now, without any further delay, let us commence our discussion. The racketeering trial of Young Thug and YSL seems to be regaining momentum as Judge Paige Reese Whitaker takes charge by establishing a fresh schedule and guidelines. According to Rolling Stone's account, Judge Whitaker acknowledged that she was entering the ongoing trial abruptly during a hearing on Friday, July 19th. Upon catching up on pending motions, she expressed her anticipation for the jury to reconvene on August 5th. In order to ensure a reasonable duration for the case, which began in November 2023 after a 10-month jury selection process, the judge established a series of new regulations. According to Judge Whitaker, court proceedings will commence promptly at 8:45 a.m. and conclude at 6 p.m. each day, with the possibility of a slightly shorter session on Fridays. Additionally, she has implemented a prohibition on the use of headphones and the consumption of food within the confines of the courtroom. The judge emphasized the importance of upholding decorum, dignity, and professionalism, which are the expected standards for all members of the bar. This statement acknowledged the intense controversy surrounding a clandestine hearing that led to the replacement of the original judge in the case. The judge further asserted their commitment to ensuring a fair trial, impartial treatment, and adherence to the law for all parties involved. On Monday, July 15th, Judge Ural Glanville, who had presided over the trial since its commencement, was subsequently removed from his position. After meeting with prosecutors and state witness Kenneth Copeland last month without the rapper and his legal team's awareness, Thug's lawyer Brian Steele filed a motion to dismiss Glanville from the case. Following Glanville's departure, Judge Shakura Ingram assumed the role but later decided to recuse herself on July 17th due to a romantic involvement between her former courthouse deputy and a co-defendant in the case. Shortly after, Judge Whitaker took over Ingram's position, replacing him within a matter of hours. Having served as a judge in Fulton County since 2017, Whitaker brings with him a wealth of experience as a former Fulton County prosecutor and a professional who has also contributed his expertise at the State Attorney General's office. In a completely arbitrary manner, Ingram and Whitaker were chosen. Following Glanville's departure, Thug's attorney, Steele, released a statement asserting the innocence of Jeffrey Williams, aka Young Thug, against the charges presented in the indictment. In order to vindicate his name, he pursued a swift trial that would ensure his constitutional rights to a fair trial, with an unbiased judge and prosecutors adhering to ethical standards and legal regulations. In his statement, he expressed his disappointment in Judge Glanville and the prosecutors, stating that they have failed to fulfill their responsibilities according to the law. Mr. Williams is appreciative that the higher court has recognized this and issued an order to remove Judge Glanville from overseeing his case. We are eager to move forward with a trial judge who will impartially and dutifully adhere to the law. The legal representatives of Yak Gotti, the co-defendant and fellow YSL rapper, whose real name is Diamante Kendrick, have made it known that they intend to submit a motion for a mistrial in the case that has been marked by turbulence. In June, Glanville found himself at the center of controversy when he held a private meeting with Copeland and prosecutors, a decision that critics argue should have taken place in an open court setting. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.